Today is the day, man. Today's the day that I've been waiting for. I'm extremely excited about this. It's got to be the title and the thumbnail, so there ain't no sense in beating around the bush as to what it is we are doing right now. We're gonna go pick up that truck that we went and looked at over at Ralph's shop. Remember, he has the cab at his shop and the rest of the parts are on the side of his house. Wow, okay, yeah, everything's here. Dude, look at the grill up there with the white trim. Yes, dude. Oh my god, look at the hood, bro, with the perfect little amounts of rust here and there. Oh my god. And yeah, it is a long bed, but he said the frame that he has, he already converted to a short bed. So it's just the actual bed itself, we'd have to cut it and turn it into a short bed. But yeah, that's the bottom, and then that's one of the bed sides. And then tailgate. Oh my freaking god, dude. Look at all the freaking little scratches and rust and shit. Oh look, there's the frame. It's got the steering box on it. We are going over there to pick the cab up today, and first thing tomorrow morning we're going to pick up all the rest of the parts from his house. But it's all going to be in this video. I'm excited to go and get all of it, get it to the house, and just see what all it is that we've got, man, and see what all it is that we've got to get in order to get it put together. But that's a whole nother conversation. You said there was more trucks in the back of this place? Oh, by looking through the crack of the fence? Yeah. Baby, I'm not gonna get out and like point my camera through the crack of the fence. Oh, wow, yeah, look. Holy crap, there is a bunch of old trucks back there.
You think I was lying?
Dang, there's a bunch of stuff. Bling! There's a yellow forklift, sucker. Ralph sent me a picture, said sitting by the door waiting for us. Hell yeah. Package is acquired. Now we just gotta get this thing home. Hopefully it makes it home. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6 straps on that son of a bitch. I think it should make it. I'm gonna go slow, you know? Go nice and slow. We gotta get this thing to the house and check it out. Tomorrow morning, we're gonna be going and picking up all the rest of this stuff. I'm excited about that, to see everything. I asked him right now if it had like the front suspension and the rear axle and all that kind of stuff. He said, yeah, everything's freaking there, so. I officially own a C10, boys. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the next morning. Got home, got the cab eventually unloaded off of the trailer, and I just have it sitting out here in the yard for the time being. Now we need to run over to Ralph's house, and we're gonna go pick up all the rest of the stuff that's gonna actually make this a complete freaking truck. There's a lot of shit to pick up. 100% of this truck is completely torn down into pieces. So I don't know how many trips it's gonna take. I know I don't want to like really stack stuff and potentially like damage things or whatever, you know, but yeah, we're gonna get into it. I got all day to get this done. All right, getting this thing all loaded up. It's we're obviously gonna look at everything better at the house, but yeah, we got fenders back here, front cowl, the grill, dude, even the AC box. Steering wheel, steering column.
Spare tire holder.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
The hell? What the hell? So here's the bed of the floor. Here's the back of the bed. And that's the tailgate down there. We got the frame on the trailer already. And the bottom of the bed on the trailer already. Here's one of the bed sides, which is still a long bed. We gotta shorten it. Core support. Is that really the exhaust to it?
Yes, it was.
Even the exhaust, man. Look, freaking door panels. Are those metal? Yeah. Holy crap, I had no idea those were gonna be metal.
That's cool.
That is really cool. Dude, he even has the old seats. Of course they need to be reupholstered and stuff, but it's freaking there. Oh, wheels and tires even.
Yeah, 5 miles an hour.
Faster than 5. Okay, now. That's where you'll get your fingers.
Right there, it's exactly where it goes.
Is it?
It's just supposed to be on the bottom side. It's on the
Oh.
top side.
You should have put the frame in upside down and then you'd been able to.
Yeah. Honestly, that would have been probably. Yeah, we just get that to kick a little more than we can do that straight up. Watch your fingers. You gotta go to work one day too.
I use a keyboard, so it doesn't need my fingers.
Blocking my tail light. Now I'm breaking my tail light.
Oh. Good?
Yeah, that'll work.
Loading this is gonna be crappy.
Huh?
Loading this is gonna be crappy. Hope you guys have fun.
Really?
Luckily, we don't have to do it right away.
But, you know, you do have all this help coming tomorrow. You can have an offload party.
Huh? Framing it up on the tailgate. I'm gonna take the tailgate out.
And back to the truck.
Ah, yes. That's fine. It'll be alright.
This would have been easier if we got a bigger, could have rolled it right up.
is.
Yeah, you should have came over, put it all together, and then you just roll it up.
How long you had it?
Yeah, honestly.
Jake was 14, 13 or 14, I think. He's 29, so that's 16 years.
Dang. How long's it been in pieces? Did you start taking it apart and stuff?
I probably started kind of taking it apart.
A couple of years after that?
A few months after I got it.
Oh, wow. Nice. That's so cool. See, that long and having all the pieces? Oof. Yeah, we see how it's going somewhere.
Alright, you turn that way. Now turn this way. Nice. 4x4. Do your side first, maybe? Oh. Yeah.
Oh, shit. Raven, you're doing a lily clip. Watch out. Just kidding.
Which part?
Man, when we went and picked up the truck, she stood like right in the center. When we went to roll it out, she's right in front of the camera.
Oh.
It was horrible.
Is that what you guys were clowning on her about?
Yeah. Happy?
Oh my god. Extremely happy. Extremely thirsty.
Oh, yeah.
This right here. If it just went back that way, just to get the wheel over the frame,
Yeah.
that's it. And we'll be able to move the frame straight again.
I know. You want to try?
Yeah.
Doesn't a cold one sound good? Blue Moon?
What you said?
Calm down, baby.
You said
Watch out, sir. I don't want to hurt you, man. There's a lot of dangerous stuff going on right here.
Don't forget the pedals.
Does it even have a pedal assembly? Like, this is literally a whole truck.
That's the crazy part about it.
Well, we're not complaining.
He even has the engine for it, but I told him I didn't want the engine because I want to do an LS. But
You should probably pick up the
8.1
engine.
No, I'm keeping the engine.
oh, yeah.
See? Now it's not for you.
What
What are you putting?
What he said last time.
What are you putting the engine in?
Nothing. I'm gonna sell it.
Damn.
Oh, yeah.
So,
All right. Is there anything else that's got to go out of
Numbers.
the backyard?
The cab?
well, you,
Oh, that other cap.
There's
you
that,
might want to come
that,
back for that.
Yeah.
the bottom seat there. He's spinning the wheels.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Here you guys go.
The other half of the bench seat. Careful, a lot of stuff in there I don't want scratched. Everything's scratched.
You don't want any additional patina on it.
Yeah, no additional. Everything it's already got is perfect, no additional.
I'm in my truck right here. Shocks.
Door, Braven.
Nice.
Grab
Original
that
shocks?
open door. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but we've been trying to go really hard. Had a video every day now. For how long, babe?
Almost 3 weeks.
Every single day.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you what, after this, I almost feel like taking a day off.
Nope. Can't do it.
I know.
It's not part of the plan.
I know. Days off are for the rich. So is sleep. I was up till 2 a.m. editing. What video was I editing? Oh, the
Today's.
Mustang video.
Yeah.
I was up till 2 a.m. editing the Mustang video because I took over so Jessica could sleep, and then
On the floor behind you.
Yeah.
I didn't want to leave you.
and then we got up at 7 o'clock and went to a track day thing for Jessica's daughter at her school, and immediately after that we're here doing this.
Oh,
So-
wait. Don't forget about the other truck. We had to offload it.
Oh yeah.
All that stuff, too.
They don't even know about that yet. But
Oh, I can cut that part.
Patreon knows about it. You
Oh.
guys will know soon.
Yeah.
But actually, now that I think about it, I got 5 hours of sleep.
Oh, it's funny.
5 hours is plenty.
Yeah.
That's actually a lot.
Yeah.
You
Babe,
gotta fit all that in a hood.
original shocks.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Dude, look at those Johnnies right there.
Yeah.
That's what holds that hood up.
Oh, yeah.
Get some MXRs for this.
They don't make them like they used to, man. That's freaking sick.
There's suspension on this.
Will it fit in there?
No.
It won't, will it?
Raven, you need a full-size truck.
There's a full-size truck.
It's skinny.
So you could do that. This is the exact same thing you went to.
I'm not gonna argue with you, Britt.
That's fine. Don't.
Dude, this is the most prized possession right now, bro.
Yeah, this is the worst one. It was better sitting the way it was.
Holy crap, dude, I am beat. I feel hot. Like, the heat is coming. Like, it's not bad right now. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. What's the temperature in Phoenix right now?
The temperature in Phoenix right now is 77 degrees.
Yeah, it's not bad at all. But it just, you can feel it.
I think it's humidity.
Is that what it is? I just feel so hot. I almost feel like heat exhaustion type of hot. But we did just move a lot of really big heavy stuff, so anyhow, I'm gonna try to go nice and slow home. That is just a Tetris board of parts back there that don't fit together very well like Tetris.
But it's all there.
Yeah, I got a lot of straps going across it, so hopefully nothing moves. Well, we just got back to the house, man. Got all this stuff. Dude, that was a sketchy ass drive. I kept feeling like something was gonna fall off. I swear, this wheel right here kept getting closer and closer to the edge. So at the moment, I have something blocking my gate out back. I can't really get my trailer out back, so I need to do some work in order to do that. But we're gonna get this out back. I need to get everything unloaded, and then I'm gonna go over everything and show you guys what all is here. Dude, it's crazy. This is literally an entire truck. It is an entire freaking truck. Everything is there. So the whole trailer's full, the whole back of the Suburban's full. I've also got stuff in the back of Braven's truck. Anyhow, I think I'm gonna go ahead and call this video here. I know I'm not gonna get it all unloaded and stuff today. I just gotta get it into the backyard. I'm beat ass tired, and honestly, I'm also a little bit annoyed. A lot of bit annoyed. It seems like it doesn't matter. If I don't have a car there, somebody freaking puts one of their damn cars there. They do this shit on purpose too. I'll leave the Suburban freaking sticking out into the road like that. I don't give a shit. I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. So peace, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Yeah, you're missing it. You're good.
What are we at?
I'm so freaking tired right now. That's the thumbnail. Bye.